How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King Red Catch, precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. We got to go over ticker ALLR because I just alerted this today, and me and my mod were talking about it, and we're seeing like this theme, right? And I know a lot of people's been saying it that the reverse splits are having the biggest potential moves. But you want to buy the best reverse split for that big potential move, and you want to make sure you wait a little bit and look for the areas that have nice potential conservative targets. So that's what I'm going to talk about is ALLR. I'm really liking this company for a nice move up, and I'm very bullish today. And I just want to show you guys why I'm bullish, what we're going to look for, and all that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do keep in mind, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, there is a nice community here of over 1,000 members. It's one of the best in the world. For the cheapest price you get of over 95% win ratio, you're gonna love it. If you want to join, click down the link in the YouTube comments below, hit the YouTube description, and like I said, massive wins. We traded AGBA for over 100% win today. Freaking nice. And I'm predicting ALLR to give us that nice upper 30% region returns. I don't want to be crazy about it, but I do think we can get, some very nice gains. So what this strategy is, we have the reverse split. We're testing out these massive gains, and what I like is the 1 for 20. 1 for 20 is like a nice little area for reverse split, and we've seen the chart right here. It's just been beaten down a while, and as you can see, you here and there you get these massive spikes, right? ALLR could do just that, and if you're looking at it, it's just been destroyed for big massive downhill. But you'll see these for penny stocks, right? You'll just see they start out big and they go down and down and down. And look at it, it had its reverse splits all throughout the course, but we recently have one. Can we get a nice move up? Absolutely. Let me tell you why I'm confident, why I'm not just blindly buying, throwing darts out of nowhere. This will give you guys a nice move. I'm telling you, do not let this go under the radar and miss out nice gains. So, with this strategy is the buy out and ban is where you want to try to get as close as possible to, but you do want to realize is the main thing is time distance. So like when it got close to here, it had a nice pump from 237 all the way to 389. That's massive gains. But how do we get in on this pump? We want to make sure we're looking for the EMA 10. This is this yellow band. As you can see, price is magneted to it. It will touch it, and we'll have these spikes that go to it. The next band is the EMA 20. The EMA 20 has to hit. And what's nice about this is, look at the last time the EMA 20 hit. It was right back in 3/12/2024. It is 4/22. So do keep in mind, anything that does not hit the EMA 20 for 2 months time frame, 2 months, I repeat, is really long. So if we don't hit this EMA 20 in 2 months, it's really long, and it's really rare, and price tends to what? Jump to it. Guess what the EMA 20 is at? $3.40. Granted, it's going to fluctuate, but we want to make sure there's massive room to the upside to hit that. And then a conservative target is 2.22, and that is your EMA 10, and it has to hit that. Usually hits that within 2 to 3 weeks. As you can see, we're bouncing all over it. And really long is 1 month. You always double it on the EMAs. So from here to the EMA 20 of $2.22, would you not be happy with, a 60-70% gain? That is massive. I alerted this at 1.30. We are seeing a nice little bottom here. I alerted it right here on this day because of the K value, which I'm going to discuss about shortly. Made a nice 40% return right there. Took the gains, move on, and guess what? We're getting another nice opportunity here. The reason why I like this is, one, the K, when I was looking at it, it was at the 2 range. And when I look at the K, look at this indicator right in here, right? When the K gets below 3, it is extremely oversold, and there's so much sellers can do before the band gets restricted and bounces. That's what we're seeing here. We want to make sure that we get a very low K for these reverse split plays, and then also that they have time distance from this EMA 10 and took a while before the pump. I don't think this is the actual pump rate in here, this long upper wick, but I do want to start seeing this EMA 20 get touched very soon, as it's been having a long time distance. Do I think this is going to accumulate down more? Yes. I'm not saying like tomorrow, it's April 22nd, tomorrow on April 23rd, this is going to pump. I'm just saying this is a swing trade. We wait it out, we be patient, we accumulate shares, and this could have a nice opportunity for a pump. Like, no joke. This is one of the recipes I'm seeing on these reverse split plays. They can take about a week or two, and then they start picking up steam, and then out of nowhere, you'll see this massive spike. And also, I want to show you guys, let's look up on FinViz. Let's just see what the short interest is, and see all that. You can go to FinViz. A lot of stuff you can learn from here, all for free. That's why I like recommending it. Recommend it to my Discord members and all that. When you type in the ticker, you'll see ALLR Therapeutics Inc. And you'll see all this stuff about them. All free, nothing you have to pay for. And we can see shares outstanding, 0.47 million. The shares float, 0.42 million. Short float, 6%. Short ratio, short interest, all this good stuff. Insider ownership, that's pretty nice, 10%. So first of all, shares outstanding is 0.47 million. That it really, in my opinion, is not a lot for this kind of price. I really think, look at the volume today, 700,000. We had a 2% increase from a nice down move. It was like down 8, I believe 8%, 10%, something like that. And it just made a massive move when I alerted it because of the short float right here. Very nice percentage here. I really think, guys, this right here is the potential. I gotta call it out. I can't let this go under radar anymore. This is getting ridiculous. This is going to be the play here. I want to be the first to call it, get it in early. Obviously, it's up right when I called it, right here at 1 o'clock. It's up quite a bit. I would wait for that pullback maybe. I'm not sure if I called the exact bottom, but I know it's getting close. What you want to do is, first of all, where's the time distance? We have last EMA 10 touch at 4/12/24. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1 week away from it, a week and then 1 day. We know it's going to touch this EMA 10, which gives us massive distance to the upside. Anything that don't touch it in 1 month is extremely rare, but usually 2 to 3 mark, you'll see it. As you can see, when it went away from the EMA 10 here, in 3 days it touched it. We had the recipe for a pump for 1 for 20. Nice reverse split. This company has nice pumps as according to the back test, but we know it's going to hit the EMA 20, which is 340. That's going to fluctuate. So there's all this big upside with a low risk opportunity. Yes, there's not a perfect, trade where you're going to make money, but I'm telling you, the risk versus reward is really good down here. Right now, the K is at 4.11. I want to see back in the 2 range because it's been doing that. And if you wanted to get in, that's what I would do. But honestly, in order to get into these alerts on the fastest in real-time action, they're ever-changing. You got to join the premium Discord. It's the best system. You can get my exact alerts, entries, and exits with my RTK swing trades. Right in here, you can see ALR I typed is a good swing. The K is super low, and look at the distance to the EMA 10. It's at 2.19, and EMA 12 is at 3.39. I gave an image of what it looked like. This price was at 130 when I alerted it. I gave the screenshot. And I even tell you how to accumulate into this within account size. This could be the next banger play next to happen. Has the recipe for a pump. I am putting my money on it. I recently just alerted OPTN at 88 cents, and it's at over $1. This system works as long as you're playing exactly to how the rules work and how, because the problem is, a lot of people probably bought it on the reverse split right in here, and they've just been back holding, and they say this trade sucks. You got to make sure, 1, we just left the EMA 10. We don't want to trade that. And then 2, it just had a reverse split. You got to wait, a week or 2 for these type of plays to go in. You want to make sure you're kind of closer to the lower band. Could we go down further? Yes. The lower band's at 70 cents. But I really do think we get the move up here too, though. That's my thing. Because it's not a big reverse split. I do like that. It's low floater. It's got nice, decent volume. I think we can get 1 million volume here and way more, and this will make it skyrocket. But I really like the Ks here. They're very low. So that's the play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see these alerts and see the education and get all this knowledge, join the premium Discord. And what you want to do is go down to the YouTube comments below or my YouTube description. There'll be a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click on that link, it'll go to this free chat landing page. This does not mean you're a subscriber. What this means is you're in the landing page of Discord. If you're not used to it, you want to go to the subscriptions tab here, hit premium chat. And when you do that, it'll opt you to subscribe. It's only $6 a month for the greatest Discord in the nation, and we're growing super fast. Like I said, I've been making these videos recent because one, I backtested this strategy for over 6 months. It works. 95% and up success. Only one loss. Lost one trade in over 8 months. It's definitely a system that I think can change lives. And if you're willing to take the shot, take the chance, you're going to make a lot of money. A lot of money is like, man, you can make thousands of dollars and not even have to worry about the fee. It's only $6. So I hope you guys decide to join. It's cheaper if you do it on your computer and subscribe because it avoids the iOS fee. And also, guys, if you guys want to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment, that would help a lot. It'll share it to other retail traders and what I'm thinking, how to catch these bottom reversals for the big upside. And it helps me make more videos. So I appreciate if you give this video a like and subscribe. And hope you guys see this play when it goes up. Peace out, and I'll be in the Discord.